Hi everyone, this is the 52nd video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a simple problem from the concept of numbers. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says, Tom has 4 fewer pencils than Matt. He gives Matt 2 pencils. Now how many fewer pencils does Tom have than Matt? So we can see that to begin with, Matt has already more pencils than Tom. Tom has 4 fewer ones than Matt. That means Matt has 4 pencils more than Tom, right? So if we assume that Matt has X number of pencils to begin with, so at the beginning, let's assume that Matt has X number of pencils. And then how many does Tom have? Well, Tom then has 4 less than X. So that is the initial situation. Now, Tom again gave 2 pencils to Matt. So how many ever pencils that Tom had, he gave 2 pencils to Matt. So now, in the new situation, how many pencils does Matt have? Well, obviously Matt will have X plus 2 now, because he started with X. Now again he got 2 more, so his number of pencils should be X plus 2. And what about Tom? Well, he started with X minus 4. And again he gave 2 more pencils to Matt, so that means he will have even 2 less. So he started with X minus 4 and he gave 2 more to Matt, so he will have now X minus 4 minus 2, which is actually X minus 6. And now the question is, how many fewer pencils does Tom have than Matt? Well, then it would be the difference between the number of pencils of Matt versus Tom. And obviously Matt has more pencils than Tom. So if you subtract the number of pencils that Tom has from the number of pencils that Matt has, we will get to see the difference, right? So let's do the subtraction. So we can say, okay, Matt minus Tom. So I'm just simply going to do the subtraction because Matt has more number of pencils, and then minus Tom. So that is Matt's pencil minus Tom's pencil, meaning the number of pencils that Matt has minus the number of pencils that Tom has. That will give us the difference. So this is actually equal to X plus 2 minus X minus 6. Think about it. So X plus 2 is the number of pencils that Matt now has, and X minus 6 is the number of pencils that Tom now has. And if we want to see the difference, then this will be the difference. And if we simplify this, this will turn out to be X plus 2 minus X plus 6. If we remove the parenthesis, and as you can see, the positive X and the negative X will cancel each other, and we are going to be left with 8. So that is plus 2 and plus 6, that is positive 8. And that is our answer. That means now Tom has 8 fewer pencils than Matt. And if you look at our answer options, we have 8 under option J. So option J is the correct answer. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.